What's up, people? I welcome you to your most educative and entertaining program here in GHI and on Royal TV. This is your girl, Mrs. Melanda Day. Yes, call me up and up wherever you meet me. Up and up in India. It's hard in India. That's my #1 name. Yes, thank you very much for joining me today too for another exciting episode of the program Hearsay. Like I always say, Hearsay is the English version of Artism. Now, so no, choose here the parent, it's like 50% tree, 50% English. Said everybody will understand the program and be happy and then flow along. So today on my very first list, we are talking about delay and Afia Schwar. So you call way back, between delay and Afia Schwar. They started long time ago. We all remember program you with TV so Afia Schwar and they can't and now all of a sudden there was a problem between them and a conflict of interest and I'll be finding a way. Now Afia Schwar is everywhere on social media making name for herself. Beef akesiena oye. Whilst delay so any program the delay show any other investment oye on abroad. But recently Afia Schwar nkofo baby enya issue. But delay the baby wardrobe. Now guess what has happened? So delay was hosting a program as usual. One of the programs. Someone said delay will be ojana numpa. And yes, I will join anymore, but I kasa when him kasa. Hey, now delay kasa na or ye be to say, oh no dear, or your code dear no what TSC now all by any program come na and no maybe to say bola bed ne atrocious no man can get no. All the smaller birds should find a place to hide themselves because she the eagle has come. Now, according to news, as soon as delay dropped this message, not just as some anya gofobi there. Guess and gofo anya omu the Afia Schwar Diamond Afia and not Tracy Buachi. Now, do you know why? Okay, let me take you back to another story. I'll bet it and some time ago, Tracy Buachi had an issue with Honorable Kennedy A. Japan. Yes, Honorable Kennedy Japan about one time can't say me say Tracy Buachi remember that especially politicians now okase Tracy Buachi and Nyoma to say Bola bed. Now during that time Nimwana Medical also released a song and medical so cast oba one remember that basa dear sir oba are you a Bola bed now and some you also na nkophobia tag Tracy Buachi on Instagram say hey as our Bola bed. So we are coming back. Fast forward, you back to the delay kind and say Bola bed and then no market and continue for not just as some no acquire assembly HOB, it's like an insinuation or casting insinuation to Afia Schwar. Now down for pass so Tracy Buachi one for a seminal miracle. Now Afia Schwar Afia. Hey, wa fire and 7 year baby. Now according to Afia Schwar, there was a time a delay cry. Now person Jonathan Mensah, Eshisha Jonathan Mensah. Oh, you all remember Jonathan Mensah? Oh yeah, Black Stars player. So nice guy. Now Afia Schwar see Jonathan Mensah see delay abrewa until on pe sebi abrewa pussy. Really? And same brain according to Afia Schwar, she met delay. The first time she met delay, Bola 20. Delay cried and say, "Come Bola and delay and sana ye Bola." She says the delay doesn't even have a house. She still rent. She says so many things against delay. And also sama abeto hopa. Now we also understand that in a related development, some time ago, delay for Tracy Buachi no person in the interview, but Tracy denied or refused to go for the interview. And so Tracy is also saying, delay is hating her because she refused to go for the interview. Tracy, they are better on Instagram or what Tracy was say. And now they are hating us because we refuse to go for interviews. And to win and summer, a course where Afia Schwar delay. Anna Tracy Buachi and him.
Afia Papa B. Anoma Kodi. Anoma be so a chamia, not what chamina takro. Sansan Kroma, Santrophy, Abronoma, Bola bed, and only tankers in Numanino, Omina Quayang guitar minim, a dribble shoe talking. Nakoko dear, or bear che dia, me money dear. But too far, I be sequina kissing, but do quenny jiku. You betray him.
But we all know, say, apart from the fact that I am a Mrs. to one of the most expensive ever names, like me bommy couldn't send your mom membership. Like I'm a Mrs. to a very noble young man, and the word is young man. And you heard me. I'm a Mrs. to a noble young man. I'm not. I'm not a bad woman. Apart from that, Obianim say, Edi a jewadi and a man in a cordier. Cordier a me from Poma, cordier no. We are Antroshie. We will be a, of course, Jonathan Mensah, you know when you. A boy, you did, Quasia. Ye can't bola bed. In a moment, Kuntina Mesa Crano, Mutie. I beni boy no, the cotti me there. Or can be an enemy Jimmy. And hey, Femboma. Wabra boy diving in a South politician no due 2015 or due by Kuma car showroom no. Uber send me body thing. Quasia, when himself of a car showroom or a permission or more. Or bar fountain time. Mammy paying our trial car. Hey, I'm respecting my man. Who tell the Americano? I'm respecting Koima. Let's all respect him. What? What member politics? Who feel or bad time was here? A boy. When I represent it, Oboni will come away, Jimmy on a poor. Where you young men in the one more frustrated. Hey, madam. Hey. Oh, Bomini Tracy, a poor Bola bed. I know I'm too sure. From Poma Mafia gang. Yeah, I down was Salamester too. Kai, on one home see soon now with your hand in Jimmy. Quasiana Opaya free. Opa Tracy at also may interview me. I'm catching some manema. Oh no, she can't sit down with a loser like you. Who be a way I'm body on no one open. Would the for Jimmy, hey, minute Tracy in a diamond, your father. Would Jimmy be a poverty, madam? Ye do what community 5 Bola sono. Oh, diamond. Oh, me oh. Now, when your Bola soon be shall, when Jimmy. And your Bola soon be shall forward and forward. I'm told you, hey, Jimmy, men person me can't be and don't want me to my dear boy. Me no one now, no. But Toby, I'm here, also, yes, let me out. Hey, from Poma. Now, boy, two. Hey, we'll try your kayak for what Tracy Dimby, my